What's up, guys? I am out here at Lake Donegal with, here's the big reveal shot as it rolls in. Oh, Hubsan Zino. Hubsan Zino. And I'm going to be sporting these things again. Now, when I took these up to the Ohio River, you know, I shot that video up the Ohio River, but what happened was I accidentally deleted the SD card video, because that was that time I had said in that one video I was trying to edit 4 videos at the same time and accidentally deleted the video for it. And it was too bad, because it was actually a nice shot of that barge. But we're going to sport the Zino out here for a little bit, just take it for a little spin and see if I got that speed issue worked out, because Marcus, you know, he sent me a little message about the speed setting, which I always had it at 50%. I always had it at 50%, but then when he said that, I checked it, and lo and behold, it was down to 10% on all of them. I was wondering why I was only getting 8 miles an hour out of that thing, so that was it. That was totally my stupidity. But, you know, I thought the setting would stay there, but apparently it didn't. It just, for some reason, reverted back. Who knows for what? But it reverted back to the 10%, so we're gonna take it up here and see if it does anything. All right. I had a time getting it bound up. It had lost the bind again from the controller, so I had to redo that. So it's always something with these things. Let me get over here and do a little speed check real quick. Okay, that's still only saying 8 miles an hour. Okay, so let me get back over here. All right, so that's still saying that. Let me put the sport mode on. Yeah, see, it's not changing anything. So those settings did nothing. They were at 10%. I put them at... That's as fast as it's going to go. Right there. Okay, let me go back in these settings again and see if... put that up to 100. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, but that's in the sport mode. Let me put it back in the normal mode. Okay, so that's still saying the same thing. So I don't know if that sport mode button's doing anything, to be honest with you. Look at that thing. That thing is wobbling like crazy. It's a Zino. Where's Gorilla Man? Okay. Where's my Gorilla Man at? He's over there playing with his chainsaws. He gave up on us. Well, at least I'm getting the 17 miles an hour, okay? So I'm getting that. So that helps. See, you know, because when I was at that Ohio River, I was actually going to try to catch that barge. And Drone Bum said, oh, at least it's faster than the barge. Actually, it wasn't faster than the barge because I couldn't catch the barge. You know, the barge was walking away from me. I wanted to get up behind the barge. But I couldn't. I didn't have enough speed. Because I was only going 8 miles an hour. Now, I don't know how many knots a barge is going. But it was, whatever it was at least as fast as the Zino. Because the Zino was not hanging. Could not catch that barge at all. What if that guy left down there? I think he did. I think he left. There's nobody down there now. Maybe I'll shoot down there and shoot a video. Okay, so I'm checking my signal, and yeah, it's holding good. I'm not going to push it to the 3,000 today, which is, I think, the limit for the Zino, but I did manage to go way further than normal without any breakup. So that's impressive. These things are working really well. These parabolics on this Zino, they're working. You saw that I was at 2400 and the bars up there had not moved, which is a damn good sign. I'm just happy I got the speed thing worked out, so. Where's that damn thing? Okay, I see it. You know, sometimes you lose sight of these things in this damn sun, man. It gets so wicked out here. Here comes the birdies again. They're coming for the Zino. damn Zino, trying to get that water skim shot with that thing. You're taking a big risk, guys, okay? You only want to do that if you got like spare quadcopters to mess around with. You don't want to be doing them water skim shots with the Zino unless you can pull another Zino out. Because I don't trust this thing when it comes to getting too low anywhere, dry land or water, to be honest with you. I knocked the bottle over like I knew I would. I'm like cutting the grass right now, guys, okay? All right, I'm having fun, okay? I'm having fun with the Zino. I'm just glad it's back to normal. Let me cut the video. Okay, so that's saved. And this time I won't delete it. There was that bird right on my tail. Did you see that? There they are, right there. They're all around the Zino, attacking. All right, I've had enough. Woo! Okay. Let's land this damn Zino. I still never updated it, so it still has the 152 setting on there, so all right, guys.